Understanding insurance coverage isn't just for financial experts, it's something everyone should care about. Think of insurance as a safety net that catches you when life throws the unexpected your way. First, let's talk about protection from financial loss. If something major happens, like an accident, illness, or natural disaster, insurance means you're not draining your savings or investments to recover. That can help you stay on track with your long-term goals instead of starting over. Next, insurance is there to protect what you own. Your house, your car, even your business. These are big investments. If they get damaged or stolen, insurance helps you fix or replace them, so you don't have to dig into your hard-earned wealth. Then there's income replacement. If you're unable to work because of illness, injury, or worse, life or disability insurance can make sure your loved ones are still supported. That means things like mortgages, school fees, and daily expenses can still get paid. Insurance is also about risk management. It shifts the burden of those big, scary emergencies from you to the insurance company, so you can focus on building your future, not worrying about what might go wrong. Long-term planning gets easier too. Knowing you have the right coverage means you can confidently save for retirement, buy a home, or plan for your kids' education, without fear that an emergency will wipe it all out. And if you run a business, insurance isn't just smart, it's often required by law. It keeps your operations, your staff, and your assets protected, so your business can keep running no matter what. Bottom line, insurance isn't just an expense. It's a proactive tool that helps you, your assets, and your loved ones stay financially secure no matter what life has in store.